Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Game Hacking and Reverse Engineering in C, a comprehensive tutorial. Disclaimer: this tutorial is for educational purposes only. Hacking games or software without permission is illegal and unethical. Always ensure you have permission to reverse engineer any software you are working on. Overview: game hacking often involves manipulating the behavior of a game to gain an unfair advantage or to modify the game experience. This can be achieved through reverse engineering, which involves analyzing a program to understand its structure and behavior. In this tutorial, we will look at some basic concepts of game hacking, reverse engineering, and some C code examples. Prerequisites: 1. Basic understanding of C, familiarity with C programming language. 2. Tools you will need: a C compiler, example GCC. A debugger, example GDB. A disassembler, example IDA Pro, ghidra, or Radar2. Memory manipulation tools, example cheat engine. Steps for game hacking: 1. Set up the environment, install the required tools on your system. 2. Identify the target, choose a simple game to practice with. For example, a basic 2D game that keeps track of player score. 3. Analyze the game. Run the game and take note of the variables you want to manipulate, example player health, score, etc. Use a tool like Cheat Engine to find the memory address of these variables. 4. Reverse engineer the game. Use a disassembler to analyze the game's executable file. Look for the functions that handle the game logic. 5. Modify the game. Write a C program to manipulate the game's memory, either by directly writing to memory addresses or using more sophisticated methods like DLL injection. Example: modifying player score. In this example, we will demonstrate how to change a player's score in a hypothetical game using C. Step 1. Finding the score address. 1. Open the game and note the initial score. 2. Use Cheat Engine to scan for the score's memory address. 3. Suppose you find that the score is stored at 0x00401234. Step 2. Write a C program to modify the score. Here's a simple C program that uses the trace system call to attach to the game process and modify the score. C. Include stdio.h. Include stlib.h. Include sys/trace.h. Include sys/types.h. Include sys/weight.h. Include unist.h. Include sys/user.h. Define target _PID 1234 / replace with the actual PID of the game process. Define score _address 0x00401234 / replace with the actual memory address. Void change _score, int new _score. / attach to the target process. If trace _attach, target _PID, null, equals -1. Per trace attach. Return. Waitpid, target _PID, null, 0, / wait for the process to stop. / write the new score. If trace _POKDATA, target _PID, void asterisk, score _address, new _score, equals -1. Per trace POKDATA. / detach from the process. Trace _detach, target _PID, null. Int main. Int new _score equals 999,999 / the new score you want to set. change underscore score, new underscore score. Printf, score changed to %d \n, new underscore score. Return 0. Explanation of the code. 1. Trace, this system call is used to observe and control the execution of another process. We use it to attach to the game process and modify its memory. 2. Trace underscore attach, this command attaches to the specified process, in this case, the game, so that we can manipulate it. 3. Trace underscore poke data, this command writes data to the specified memory address of the target process. 4. Detaching, finally, we detach from the process to allow it to continue running. Step 3, compile and run. 1. Compile the C program. Bash. gcco change underscore score change underscore score .c. To run the program with necessary permissions, you might need sudo bash sudo / change underscore score. Conclusion. This tutorial gives a basic introduction to game hacking and reverse engineering using C. We covered how to find a variable in memory, how to manipulate it using the trace system call, and provided a simple example. Further learning. Explore more advanced topics like DLL injection. Learn more about assembly language, as it is often used in reverse engineering. Study different game engines and their memory management systems. Caution, always respect the terms of service of any game or software you are working with, and only practice on software you have permission to hack or reverse engineer.